In today's fast-paced world, where connections mean everything and opportunities often hinge on the strength of our social interactions, mastering the art of engaging conversations is a skill that can truly set you apart. Imagine walking into a room and leaving a lasting impression not just through what you say, but how you say it. Whether it's a formal networking event, a casual get-together, or simply a chat with friends, knowing how to engage without becoming boring is crucial. Let's explore some essential conversational habits that will not only keep others interested, but also ensure you remain unforgettable. 1. The power of humor. Humor is undoubtedly one of the most effective tools in your conversational arsenal. It serves to break the ice, lighten the atmosphere, and build instant rapport with your audience. You might have noticed how successful comedians and charismatic personalities use humor to draw people in. Incorporating humor into your conversations doesn't mean you have to be a stand-up comedian. It can be as simple as using a clever anecdote or a playful jab. One engaging technique is the false completion, a method frequently used in playful interactions like those between Emily Blunt and Dwayne Johnson. Imagine someone starting a sentence and you finish it with a humorous twist. This playful banter creates a friendly vibe and showcases your wit. Just remember to gauge the situation and ensure your humor is appropriate for the context. 2. Interactive listening and banter. Engaging conversations are a two-way street. Interactive listening is all about being present and actively participating in the discussion. Instead of merely waiting for your turn to speak, show genuine interest in what others are saying. This can be done through nodding, maintaining eye contact, or verbal affirmations like, "I see," or "That's interesting." Engage in lighthearted banter by responding to jokes or playful statements with your own quips. If someone makes a humorous comment about themselves, like Emily Blunt joking about bulking up for a role, join in on the fun by adding to their joke. This creates camaraderie and shows that you are not only listening but also enjoying the conversation. 3. The art of storytelling. Storytelling is an ancient practice that is still one of the most powerful ways to engage an audience. Whether it's sharing a personal experience, recounting a humorous event, or imparting wisdom through a life lesson, a well-told story can captivate listeners. Good storytelling is about more than just the narrative. It's about delivery. Bring your stories to life by acting out characters, using strategic pauses, and maintaining a good pace. This keeps listeners on the edge of their seats, eager to hear what happens next. Practicing your stories beforehand can help ensure smooth delivery. Take a page from Emily Blunt's book, whose entertaining accounts of her filming experiences demonstrate the impact of a well-told tale. 4. Nonverbal cues. Communication goes beyond words. Nonverbal cues like body language, facial expressions, and gestures can significantly enhance your spoken words. A genuine smile or laugh can make others feel valued and comfortable. Eye contact is crucial. It shows attentiveness and sincerity. When appropriate, a light touch on the shoulder or arm can reinforce a connection and show empathy or enthusiasm. Remember to respect personal boundaries and be mindful of cultural differences when using touch as a communication tool. 5. Ask open-ended questions. Questions are the gateway to deeper, more meaningful conversations. Instead of asking questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no, opt for open-ended ones that encourage others to share more about themselves. Questions like, "What inspired you to choose that career?" Or, "How did you feel about that experience?" Invite detailed responses and demonstrate genuine interest in the other person. Asking these types of questions not only keeps the conversation going, but also shows that you are genuinely curious about the other person. This can open doors to new topics and foster a more engaging dialogue. 6. Cultivate. Charisma. Charisma is often seen as an innate quality, but it is actually a skill that can be developed. Charismatic people draw others in with their energy, passion, and presence. To cultivate charisma, focus on being genuinely interested in others, maintaining a positive attitude, and being confident in your interactions. Practicing mindfulness and being present in the moment can also enhance your charisma. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel seen and heard, so strive to be that person in every interaction. 7. Practice makes perfect. Becoming an engaging conversationalist doesn't happen overnight. It requires practice and a willingness to learn from each interaction. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and don't be afraid to adjust your approach as needed. Practice with friends, family, or even in front of a mirror to build confidence in your conversational skills. Seek feedback from trusted individuals and be open to constructive criticism. Over time, These small adjustments and dedicated practice will help you become more adept at engaging others in conversation. In conclusion, mastering the art of engaging conversation is a transformative skill that can enhance both your personal and professional life. By incorporating humor, practicing interactive listening, sharing compelling stories, using nonverbal cues, asking open-ended questions, cultivating charisma, and committing to practice, you can ensure that your conversations are anything but boring. So go ahead, embrace these tips, and become the conversationalist everyone enjoys being around.